Hey, this is Mr. Willis. Going to set up a new blank file in Adobe Photoshop Elements 15. So first of all, on your desktop, you should have a little blue icon. Looks kind of like this. When you double click it, it's going to ask, do you want to use the photo editor or the video editor? Go ahead and click on the photo editor. And then this screen will always take just a moment or two to load up, so be patient for that. And then once we see this big gray screen, that's when you're ready to go and make a new file. So in this case, all we have to do is click on the word File up in the top left of your screen. Then we are going to go to New, and then we will go to Blank File. File, New, Blank File. When that opens up, you can go ahead and give your file a name right there. I'll call this one Example. And you can pick like a document type, which has some default sizes. So let's say you were making something for, that would go on a video or something. You can actually pick film and video sizes. In this case, we're just going to leave it as the default, but what I want to change are the numbers down here. You can set this to specific things. So I actually want mine to be the same on this one. So I'm going to do 5 inches by 5 inches. I just switch up those numbers. I can do inches, pixels, centimeters, all kinds of different measurements. For this one, inches is fine, but pay attention to your directions in case I would want to do something different. Once all that is set, you may click OK. And then you have a blank file and you are ready to get to work.